Most roofing can be easily secured and restored with the right green coatings, sealing them down and removing any gaps or openings. Green coatings encasement meet all the needs to quickly turn susceptible surfaces and roofs into a strong monolithic seamless membrane. They can also be applied to both roofs and walls, sealing wind-prone surfaces. This makes those surfaces strong enough to defend against powerful wind pressure and driving rain from damaging storms. When easily applied, green coatings encasement form a seamless, continuous membrane. This means that all the gaps in the surfaces are not just sealed, but tightly sealed, stopping wind and storm penetration. This way, there is no damage to surfaces from potential penetrating wind uplift. Building surfaces are easily made secure, no longer prone to susceptible damage during high wind events. Buildings become waterproofed. This means that the wind and other weather elements, such as rain, does not make its way into the building, damaging it and its contents. There is no need to incur high costs to replace your building surfaces, especially roofs. The right green coating encasement system, once applied, only needs simple recoating after up to 20 years, technically never needing removal, replacement, and the generation of unwanted waste. Home and building owners using the right protective green coatings encasement will find that they not only have a wind-resistant property, but weatherproof ones as well. The next time a strong destructive wind and storm event comes their way, their building may be the one left standing.
So in conclusion, a simply installed green coating encasement system can fortify a weak susceptible building at all its surfaces, quickly turning it into a property that can better defend against an attack from a damaging, strong weather event.